Hey everybody, it's your girl Chrissy M. Welcome back to my channel. I know that you're probably like, girl, why do you already have your makeup done? That's because I'm about to give you guys another makeup tutorial. Okay, so I purchased this, this Morphe palette. It's Jaclyn. It's Morphe times Jaclyn Hill, the palette from the Morphe store. So Jaclyn Hill has her own collection of palettes in the store and they are fabulous. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial using her palettes because I love the rich fall colors that she has produced within her palette. So you guys, yeah, let's get to the business. Like, seriously, this is gonna be a good one. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so I'm super uber happy. Look at my face, look at this hair. Oh girl, no, I should not have done my hair like that. But anyways, I just washed it, guys, so it is what it is. So let's get into it. First of all, I've already did my makeup, my brows, yes. I've already put my foundation, my concealer on, you guys. Yes, girl, yes. Let's get into this right now. Alright guys, so once you add your foundation on and you get your concealer and your brows done, we're going to go in with our nice contour palette. Hey, yes. Alright. But first, before we do that, no, I totally forgot. We have to do a nice little highlight. So I'm going to use my Lancome concealer to apply my highlight. This is a Lancome. The color is Praline number 10. You guys can find this at Sephora. So we're going to go ahead and take our nice beauty blender and we're going to dip it into our concealer. We're going to put some at our chin and we're going to put some under our eyes and above our T-zone to give us a nice highlight. Once you are finished, you're going to gently puff pat and blend into the skin so we can get that nice bright highlight to the eyes and to the face. So once you have all of your highlight blended in to your foundation, we're going to go in and we're going to contour. We're going to use our first contour color, the darker tone, okay? And we're just going to stroke on the sides of our bottom cheeks as well as the top part of your forehead to give us a nice illusion of a nice contour. Next, we're going to go in with our nice sculpt. And we're going to sculpt our inner cheeks. Now, a lot of people will take a bronzer pencil or a stick and they will just draw a nice straight line through that middle part of their cheek to kind of give them a nice, deep, sharp, almost like a crease in their face. But I use a powder to sculpt my face, you guys. I like it. It works perfectly for me and it gives me a nice illusion to actually shrink in my face and like cheeks and stuff and give me a nice contour there. Now we're going to smother our face with this Kat Von B. I always get this wrong, you guys. It's not Kat Von D, it's Kat Von B. We're going to just spray this all over our face and have a little fun to set our makeup or set our foundation and our contour. Yes, girl. Now we're going to go in with this fabulous Morphe Jaclyn. Or hold on, wait a minute. Morphe times Jaclyn Hill makeup palette. This one is called Bling Boss because I'm a bossy. I'm the first girl that came on a check. Okay, these colors are so fabulous, you guys. Like, look at that. Nice fall palette. I love it. Love it. So I'm going to start off with the first color. It's called Hush Hush. This color is really light, very subtle. I like to add a lighter base to my color before adding a dark. So next I'm going to go in with the color Sparks. This color is like a nice lighter but I would say medium red color. It's really pretty. It's vibrant. I love it. And it's going to look really good on my skin tone, you guys. So now I'm going to go in with the color Pizzazz. This color is a nice, I would say a lighter cranberry color with a touch of a shimmer to it. Really nice and subtle, and it's going to blend in very well with the Sparks color. So we're going back in with our Hush Hush, and I'm going to put it up under like my brow bone to make my eyes pop more. To give me a nice pop. We like a little pop there. So now I'm going to go in with my Milani bronzer. I have broken it. That's why I made that face. It's still broken, you guys. I have not bought me another one. I need to go to Target today to go get one. But yeah, we're going to put that up in our creases of our eyes. I like a nice little pop at the eye. I like a shimmer. So next I'm going to add this Morphe shimmer. It's like a highlighter, you guys. It's in the color Spark up underneath my brow bone again because I want a nice bright sparkly highlight. Yes, girl. Yes. Give me that light. So now I'm going to add a little bit of mascara just so that I can add my lashes up. So there I have my Morphe blush. I believe the color is blush in that one. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks before I add my highlighter, you guys. And this one also is broken. I've broken this palette as well. This is ridiculous. So now I'm going back in with my Milani highlighter, my bronzer, to highlight my cheeks. Oh yeah, I forgot to contour my nose, you guys. Make sure you go in and contour that nose so we can give a nice slimming effect. Yes, girl. Get that nose on point. Now I'm going to highlight my nose with a little bit of that Milani bronzer. Now it's time to finish off these gorgeous eyes that I've created. We're going to add a little bit of that purple up underneath our eyes, you guys, to give us a nice pop. That purple is bold and I love it. And yeah, I'm going to add it today. I don't give a damn. After we add that pop of purple up underneath our eyes, we're going to just add mascara to our bottom lashes to kind of separate them, you guys. So now I'm going to apply the Morphe. I believe this color is Lust, you guys. It's a deep burgundy lipstick. It's matte to my lips to finish off my look. I love matte lipstick and stuff and matte makeup, you guys. It just works perfectly with me and with on my skin. And once you guys are done with your makeup should look like this. Oh yeah, girl. Work that camera. Work it. Work it, work it, work it. Oh yeah. Gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. If you already haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you go subscribe to my channel so that way you are alerted when I do upload new videos, because you never know what you're going to be seeing off my channel. Also, guys, make sure you click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.